What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know about you, but I'm so glad that 2019 is over and done with. So much happened last year that I'm just ready to have a good year, hopefully. This look is going to be inspired by Chinese New Year. Okay, so I'm taking the color Slice from the Mini Breaker palette, which is just a very beautiful gold shimmer, and just putting that all over my lid. I've had this blush palette for so long, I don't even know what the name of it is anymore, but it's just a really bright, pretty red shade, and I'm just using that to go all along the crease and my outer corner. Next, I'm taking this brick red color from the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm just enhancing the depth of my crease and my outer corner. I'm taking this black shade from the Warrior 2 palette on a little tiny brush, and I'm going to just drag it along the bottom of my lash line till I get to the center, and then I'm going to bring it down, pointed down towards the bridge of my nose. Now I'm taking that same bright red eyeshadow that I used on top and dragging it across that black just to kind of smoke it out a little bit so it's not such a harsh line. I'm taking that gold color again and putting it right on the inner corner of my eye where that empty space is. I'm just going to line my eyes and get them ready for mascara and lashes, and I'm just doing a little bit of a wing on the end too. Boom, magic, the other eye's done, and I'm going to put mascara on, again just prepping for lashes. The lashes I'm using are Ardell Demi Wispies. I think this eye look is super cute on its own like this, but I'm not done. I want to load up with blush, so I'm taking a dark pink shade from that same old blush palette, and I'm just putting it on the bottom corner of my eye, and it's enhancing every little bump I have, so that's great. I mean, this palette's ancient, so am I really surprised? Really? Any opportunity I have to wear a shit ton of blush, I'm taking that opportunity. I just love loaded blush looks so much. And I'm taking that same gold color Slice from the Mini Breaker and using it as a highlight to kind of tie the look together. It is so beautiful as a highlight. I cannot get enough of this palette, honestly. So I'm taking a matte red lipstick, and originally I wanted to make like a powdery soft lipstick look, but I didn't like how it was coming out, so I just went ahead and smeared it all over my lips and lined my lips as I normally do. Again, we could always stop right here and this look would be cute like this on its own, but I'm not going to do that. I have to be extra, so I'm taking my eyebrow pomade and my eyebrow brush, and I'm going to go ahead and add some details to this look, and I'm going to start making the branches of my cherry blossom tree. I'm taking a white paint pot from Wet n Wild and a round brush, and I'm packing that white into the brush as much as I can. And then I'm going to take a red Wet n Wild paint pot, and I'm just going to put the tip of the paintbrush in. Just the tip, y'all, just the tip. I'm going to take my brush and put the tip down and then roll it to the end to kind of get the full ombre effect, if that makes sense. You could always just do it on one color if you didn't want to do it like this, but I just thought it looked pretty with the white added to it. I went ahead and loaded up my brush again, and I'm adding more cherry blossom petals and making this ghastly face. What is that? What am I doing with my mouth? I don't know. You don't have to add that many petals, but I just thought it looked pretty, like they were falling down. I don't know. You could add more, you could add less. Yeah, I'm gonna add more branches to that, if you can see there. I just added another one because I thought it looked kind of weird without any more branches. So I'm gonna take that gold shade again, and I'm just gonna put it on the center of my lips, and it just really made that lipstick pop. And I don't know, I really like this look. I like how it came out. And we're done. Here is my Chinese New Year inspired makeup look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I plan on making more content. It's one of my resolutions to make more videos for you guys. So thanks for supporting and watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.